Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Have you ever taken a trade based on a breakout or trend signal only to see it fail almost immediately? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an incredible volume-based tool that can help you filter out false signals and focus on real market moves backed by strong volume. That tool that we're going to be looking at is the volume composition indicator. All right, the volume composition indicator. Now, many traders rely solely on price action, watching for breakouts, reversals, and trend shifts. But here's the problem. Yeah, not every move you see on the chart is real. All right, not every move you see on the chart is real. Okay, false breakouts, whipsaws, and manipulated price action happen all the time, leading traders to take bad trades. So that's where volume analysis comes in. When price moves are backed by strong volume, they are far more likely to be sustainable. So the volume composition indicator helps you separate real momentum from market noise, so you don't fall for fake signals. Okay, now how does the volume composition indicator help traders? Unlike standard volume bars, this indicator analyzes the composition of volume to highlight strong buying or selling pressure. So here's what it does. Yeah, it filters weak volume signals so you don't get tricked by market noise. All right, and it highlights strong volume based, or rather volume backed moves that have a higher probability of continuation. And of course, as you can see, it breaks down buy and sell volume, allowing traders to see if a move is dominated by buyers or sellers, right? And it works in all market conditions, whether trending, ranging, or volatile. Okay, so this means that you can use it to confirm breakouts, validate trends, and avoid risky setups. Okay, here's how to make the most out of the volume composition indicator. You can use it to confirm breakouts. If a breakout happens with low volume, it's likely to fail. We are going to be really practical about this. Yeah, so let's just look for an example where we had a false breakout. You can see what happened around here. There was actually a resistance zone around here, but guess what? Price looks as if it wanted to break out of that, but you can see that when that breakout happened, just look straight down. Look straight down. Tell me what you see, right? What do you see around here? Can you see that there was a low volume? There was low volume backing this breakout, and it failed. Yes, it failed because most of the times, breakouts that is backed by low volume often leads to failure, right? It doesn't work out eventually. But if it is backed by high volume, right? If a breakout is backed by high volume, let's just look for an example. Okay, you can see there was an example here, had a breakout. Can you see that when this breakout happened, can you see that there was a surge in volume? Can you see that? Compare what happened here to what happened here. You're going to see the difference, right? So can you see that when a breakout is backed by high volume, it's a strong confirmation. It's likely to prevail. All right. And now this indicator can also help you to spot market reversals. When you see volume shifting in the opposite direction of a trend, it could indicate a reversal is coming. Right? It could indicate that the reversal is coming. For example, let's see now we had a prevailing buy trend around here. And then, well, we're having some series of surge and volume, and then, average volume and all of that. And then volume began to decline around here as structure changed, right? And then along the line, We had a surge in volume confirming this was the first lower high, right? After this particular high, when the structure changed, this was the first lower high, and it was backed by strong volume. Okay, and then of course the indicator helps you identify strong trends. If an uptrend or downtrend is supported by consistent high volume, it's likely to continue. All right, and it can help to limit or avoid manipulated price action. When a sudden price spike has low volume, when a sudden price spike has low volume, it's often a trap set by large players to lure in traders. So by incorporating this indicator into your trading strategy, you can make better informed decisions and increase your confidence in your trades. So why should you start using the volume composition indicator in that we just discussed in this video? Why should you even consider using it today? Well, one is that it tries to reduce false signals and helps traders stay out of bad trades. Okay, it might not achieve that 100% of the time, but because there is no indicator that is foolproof, but at least it attempts to, with aid of its volume-based signals, it attempts to help traders identify valid moves, all right, and stay out of false moves as much as possible. And it enhances breakout confirmation, preventing you from entering weak moves. Okay, it works across different assets, including Forex, stocks, and crypto. It also gives traders an edge by analyzing real volume data. Okay, by analyzing real volume trends. So with this tool, you'll be able to filter the noise, trade smarter, and avoid unnecessary risks. Okay, and that brings me to risk management. Ensure that you do not take unnecessary risk. Okay, do not trade an amount you cannot afford to lose, and do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade if you want to observe good risk management. Okay, yes, so the ball is in your court. If you want to risk 10% of your account at a time, just know that you're taking a high risk. Okay, but I'm not going to recommend you do that. If you want to be successful in the long run, okay, you should stick with small percentage of your account per trade. All right, perhaps between 1 to 2% at a time per trade. So if you're tired of falling for false signals, the volume composition indicator is a must-have tool in your trading arsenal. It helps you see real volume dynamics, filter out market noise, and improve trade selection. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth trading strategies, and let me know in the comments how you use volume in your trading. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.